price action together. So today is June 2nd, Monday, first day of the week. And first thing first, make sure you guys trade responsibly and work on your risk management. Okay, so let's start with our pre-Asian session, and it will be open in few hours. Let's start with the day chart. So as you can see that our day on Friday is ended on a support at 3282, and our resistance was at 3357. So price was actually ranging between 3357 and 3282. Okay, so now let's go on our 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, we can see actually the resistance is at 3323, and if you see here that the last candle or 4-hour, it's kind of not the last but the previous ones, it broke the 4-hour support and closed below the support, and the next 4-hour candle, it's a red candle again. Okay, but we're not going to consider this, so we are going to consider this our support, which is 3264. So now we can go on our 1 hour. Let's see what information we can get. So on 4-hour, okay, so 4-hour we have our support at 3275 and a resistance as 3304. But here we have more information. If you see that at 1 hour we were ranging a little bit, and then the last 1-hour candle, it broke and closed below the support. So it's giving us a story, but we will see when the market going to open, because sometimes it opens with a gap up. Okay, so we have to consider that. But right now our support is 3276. So let's say what's the 30 minutes candles are telling us. So it's almost the same. There is a little support here I can see, but we'll see how when the market is going to open. Even though we have if you see this at 30 minutes, same thing, our last candle basically it broke and closed below the support. So if the next candle is red again, we'll see if it's with the volume, then definitely it's a good sell. But I really don't think that we should take a trade right after the market open. So we'll wait for until the Asian open. Okay, so I will consider this as my support, 3276. Let's see what's in here at 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes we have more information. As you can see that our support and resistance is more congested now. So our support is at 3287 and our resistance is at 3295. But one thing to consider here, that 3287, it's a very strong support. This is what I think, because so many times if you go and check the left, so many times the price is just bouncing from here. So I think 15 minutes is more considerable in this situation, and we'll see. If you are looking for buys, I would say that we're gonna look for the buys. If we can close above 3295, then we have 185 pips. And if you are looking for the sells, then we're gonna see below 3287, and then we have almost 56 pips, sorry, then we have 85 pips to go down, but only with volume. We can do it only with volume, because as you can see that we have some rejections on the left. Here you can see some rejections on the left. So yeah, so this is what the price action is telling us, and definitely hope we can get some pips today. Okay, so as the Raja says, that volume is our weapon, so wait for the volume. Okay, and don't jump on the trade responsibly. All the